Okay, good morning. So, we're starting on a 90-day program with a coach who's going to guide us through the carnivore diet. I've talked about it in the past. I decided that I would hire an expert to guide me along the way. So, I look forward to it and take it day by day.
No, I eat beef and salt and water. That's it. I am not a dietary expert, so I'm now speaking as an uninformed citizen.
Yes.
Right.
Well, this is anecdotal evidence from a human being that has dealt with autoimmune issues your whole life.
Yes.
Okay, so that's day one on the carnivore diet. Today went relatively well. And 4 slices of bacon. No cream, no dairy all day. My energy level's good. I slept well last night, and this morning I woke up with relative ease. I am a little sore from the workout yesterday, and yesterday's walk was 4K. Okay, so we begin day 2 on the carnivore diet. I feel good. I have almost zero cravings this morning. Don't feel hungry. I am sore from the workout on Sunday, but I wanted to talk a little bit about why I'm doing this carnivore diet. When I first heard about it, I thought it was crazy. I couldn't understand how anyone could even think of such a thing. That's probably because I always loved eating salads and vegetables, and so, like most people, I said, okay, and where do I get my vitamins from if I'm only going to eat meat? I've listened to a lot of doctors on YouTube, and I've watched a lot of testimonials, a lot of people talking about the healing that they've experienced. There's a whole list of people.
And so you're feeling good, you're off your medication, your joints feel better, no more rashes.
No more rashes, yeah. So everything seems to be improving. I was shocked when the depression lifted because I thought, that runs in my family, that's familial. We have some sort of brain chemistry problem. That can't possibly be diet.
I'm doing this mainly because my goal is to heal. Obviously, weight loss is an important part. As someone who really loves to eat, I have often struggled controlling my volume. Good morning. Start of day 3 on the carnivore diet. Yesterday was a good day, and today we start day 3 with a walk. And I will update the video, upload the video, and thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Hey guys, so we're halfway through day 7. It has been a successful week sticking to the program. I just wanted to check in one last time before we publish this video to recap how the first week went on the carnivore diet. My ankle has been bothering me for a number of weeks now. I do have an old ankle injury. I think there's some inflammation there. Other than that, my cravings aren't there. They're not strong. I think I'm still eating a fair bit, but one of the things I've been instructed to do is to make sure I have my 3 meals a day, and I'm not trying to fight not eating while I'm making this transition to eating carnivore foods. What else? Sleep. My sleep has been great. Fatigue. I'm not sure if I mentioned the fatigue. I have had fatigue during the week. I'm taking at least 1 nap during the day this week, sometimes 2. And my energy is generally a bit low, but apparently that's to be expected at this stage. So I think that'll be it for today. And again, as I've said before, please like, subscribe, comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks, and bye for now.
I was on Rogan's podcast and I said, hey, I used to do a diet where I just used to eat red meat and water. And he was like, what? And I said, oh yeah, red meat and water. It didn't have a name back then. Like I just called it red meat and water. I had no idea that I had any health benefits. And then when I heard Dr. Sean Baker in 2017, bring up the carnivore diet, and basically the whole podcast was about that. We have a gym and we have like a block around our gym that we usually walk. And I was trying to walk that block every day. And it was just too much on me. My hips hurt, my knees hurt, my ankles hurt, my feet hurt, everything hurt. And what I noticed is like the more and more I'd stay on this carnivore diet, the less and less things would hurt. For me, having chronic pain and having arthritis was like a death sentence because I couldn't do the thing I love to do anymore. I couldn't lift anymore. And when I heard Dr. Baker on there, he just gave me hope. And I said, you know what? I'm going to sink everything I have into this diet and see what happens.